Oh, you do some sparks even. Nice tough little car there.
I think you guys should do it just to do it.
I'm going next year if I still got my little gray car. I'll just tear off the fucking muffler so it's all loud. So it sounds cooler. Like that.
Eric McCready.
That was a good one.
Yeah.